Hey guys, welcome back. Today in day 4, part 3, we will talk about dictionary, which is one of the basic collection types of Swifts. Also, we will go over syntax, shorthand, empty dictionary, default value, literal, and iterating over dictionary. Yeah, let's start playground. I already made that. So you can go to file if you want to make one new playground and then choose blank and then you can name it how you need. And yeah, so we have this. Let's go over our documentation. So dictionary. A dictionary is stored association between keys of the same type and value of the same types in collection with no defined ordering. So this one again, there is no defined ordering, but keys are could have different type and value as well. So it's not that the key only being integer like array, okay? And so there's no order as well. So each value is associated with unique key, which act as an identifier for that value. So key gonna be identifier for that value within the dictionary. Unlike items in array, items in dictionary not have a specific order. You use dictionary when you need to look up value based on their identifier. In much the same way that a real word dictionary is used to look up the definition for particular word. Yes, that's true. So Swift dictionary type is bridged to foundation NS dictionary class. So you can go over bridge between dictionary and NS directly the dictionary to find out more. So yeah, dictionary type, shorthand, syntax. So as we have default dictionary as we have default dictionary definition, which is dictionary key and value. Sorry, got a little bit confused. Okay, so as we have this one, also we have shorthand as well, which is and this dictionary. So key, where key is the type of the value that can use as a dictionary key, and value, its value is type of value that dictionary stores. Yeah, you can also write the type of dictionary in shorthand format, which is this. So this gonna be shorthand. Here we go. Yeah. And you will see again key and value. Okay, creating an empty dictionary. Okay, so how we can make an empty dictionary? It's pretty easy. We can use shorthand. Also, we can to create one empty dictionary as here you can see. So we say names of integer equal integer gonna be key and string gonna be value, and this open and close parentheses gonna make this one as well for us. And this example, create an empty dictionary type int and string. Also, as others, if we have dictionary defined, if we want to make it empty, we can use this. So we can just call say that dictionary equal open square bracket, and then close and colon, semicolon. Okay, create a dictionary with a dictionary literal. Okay, so how we can create a dictionary with a dictionary literal? So dictionary literal is gonna be like this: key, value, key, comma, key, value. And so if you want to make it, we have two ways, but for dictionary we can use like this, that first we say what type gonna be key and value, and then we can go by this. The airport dictionary declare as having a type of a string. Okay, so the airport dictionary is declared as a variable with the var int out and not constant. So yeah, we use it as a variable, not constant, because we want to change it later. And the dictionary literal contains string pairs. This value type matches the type of airport. Yeah. As with array, you don't have to write type of dictionary if you initialize it with the dictionary literal. So if you use different dictionary word, even you don't have to write down type, because format is obviously that it's going to be a dictionary. So I just put one here to make it avoid that error, because all keys in the literal are of the same type as each other, and likewise all value are the same type so each other. Then you will see, if I option click on this, you will see it's going to be yes, it's a dictionary with a string. Okay, accessing and modifying a dictionary. So in dictionary we can access and modify as well. So how? We have count as others to count how many elements we have. Here you go. And we have is empty as well to tell us that it is empty or not. And if you want to see what exactly which methods you have, you just put dots here and you will see all of the hash value. We spoke about that is empty hash value, and let's see if we have sort as well. Yeah, we have sort, but you need to mention key. Even we can split. Yeah, you will see that's how many function available is there. Xcode is very useful on this. And yeah, so by this way we can find if it's empty or not. Also, yeah, now you can add a new item to a dictionary with subscript syntax. So as you know, this is subscript syntax. We will go over subscript later in another video in our channel. And here we go. So we make this one as a London. And you can also use subscript syntax to change value. So you can use subscript syntax for change value. So we made that one. Now we're gonna change the value like this. It's pretty easy. But as an alternative, we have update value. Update value, it's very useful. About the update value, let me just make a title here because I want to talk about it more. It's the same job, just get the key and the value, and here you see this is the value, and for this key, so it's gonna update it. Yeah, but you need to know that update value, if their key couldn't find the key, won't give you error like this one. But if actually that one don't give you as well, because you're gonna it's gonna add it or update it. Yes, and The only thing that extra we have is that this method return the old value. So when you update it, tell you what was the old value. Then you can get an idea if it's changed or not. Also, another thing is that it's method return an optional value of dictionary's value type. So then it's going to be optional because it could be going through or not. That's why it's going to be optional string. Let's run this. This is old value, which is a string, and yeah, and you can also subscript syntax to retrieve a value from the dictionary. Yes, you can get the value out like this, but you need to make sure that you use the correct actually existing subscript, otherwise you're gonna get error. So you can use subscript syntax to remove. Yes, so for subscript there are two ways. You can, we have that remove value from for one key, but we have this one as well. So if you say one key equal nil, then they're gonna remove it. So APL has now been removed from the dictionary as we made it nil. Other way, it's to say, okay, gonna remove this value for this key. This is a method that do it for you, and also we have remove all as well. So if you want to remove all of the element, just you, instead of remove value, you say I will gonna remove all value. It should be somewhere here that's gonna tell us. Okay, so let's iterating over a dictionary. For iterating over a dictionary, we use for in, but we're gonna use it by this way. So we use a tuple in this array. The first one gonna be the key, and the second one gonna be value. If you want to ignore key, you just make this underline, yeah? But we don't want to ignore it. Yes, and here you can also retrieve and iterate iterable collection of dictionary keys or value by accessing its keys and value properties. So let's do it and see how it's work. So here we said, okay, for airport name in airport value. So we can do like this, or for key, airport.key, then we can get one by one. So this gotta how we get key and value different, in different way. If you need to use dictionary's key or value with an API that take an array instance, initialize a new array with the key or value property. So here you go. So we have airport codes. We say an array of a string, so airport key. So it's directly make airport codes a new array with index of keys, and this is gonna be the other one as well. So let me click option, let me play this, and here you will see this is air code and this is name. So we have them now in different array actually. Swift dictionary type does not have defined ordering to iterate over the keys or values of dictionary in a specific order. Use sorted method on its keys or value property. So like the other one, we can use sorted to excuse me, have it sorted. So that's it for this part and about the dictionary. All you need to know about dictionary. This is all you can find about dictionary in the official Swift document. Yeah, and later we will go over in another day. We will go over control flow. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please make sure to give it thumbs up, and also don't forget to be subscribed for more video all coming every day. And if you have any question, please ask in comment below. I will be more than happy to help you and answer your questions. And I wish the best for you. Have a good one. Bye bye.